Hi there. Welcome to your daily dose of English, the show that helps you learn English in a simple, fun, and natural way. My name is Jessica, and I'm so happy you're here. I'm going to speak slowly and clearly so you can understand everything and practice with me. Today, we're going to learn something important: how to use English every single day, no matter how busy you are. You don't need to travel to New York. You don't need an expensive teacher. You don't need 5 hours of study time. What you really need is something different: small daily actions that build big results. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, let me teach you a special technique. It's called the echo method. Maybe this is your first time hearing about it. That's okay. The echo method is super simple, and it works really well. Here's what you do. You listen to someone speak in English, like me right now, and then you copy them. You say the same words using the same speed, the same feeling, the same voice. You become their echo. You don't stop to think. You don't translate. You don't worry about mistakes. You just repeat, like a mirror for sound. Let me show you. I'll say something, and then you say it after me. Learning English is exciting. That means English makes you feel happy and interested. Learning English is exciting. Learning English is exciting. Now you repeat. I practice a little every day. This means you do something small each day to improve. I practice a little every day. I practice a little every day. Now you repeat. My English is getting better. This means your English is improving slowly. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. Now you repeat. Great job! That's the echo method. At first, it might feel unusual. You might not know every word. That's completely fine. The echo method isn't about understanding everything. It's about teaching your brain and your mouth to move together in English. It helps you feel the rhythm, the music, the flow of the language. If you do this for just 5 or 10 minutes every day, you'll notice something amazing. You'll speak faster, clearer, and with more confidence. The big question: how do you practice every day? Many students say to me, Jessica, I really want to learn, but I'm so busy. I get nervous when I speak. I don't know where to begin. And I always tell them, you don't need hours. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to start. So let me give you 5 easy ways to practice English daily, no matter where you live or how much time you have. Tip number 1, fill your ears with English. This is the foundation. If you want to speak well, you must listen often. Not just on weekends, not only during lessons, every single day. Listening teaches you new vocabulary. It shows you how real English sounds. It trains your brain to understand quickly. So what should you listen to? Podcasts like this one, English songs, YouTube videos for learners, audiobooks or simple stories, news in easy English. You don't need to understand every word. Even if you catch 40% or 60%, it's still valuable. Your brain is learning in the background. Listen while you travel, while you cook, while you fold clothes, or while you relax. Just 15 minutes a day can change everything. Make English the soundtrack of your life. Tip number 2. Use the echo method daily. Now that you're listening, it's time to use your voice. Listening helps, but speaking is what makes you strong. After you hear a sentence, repeat it out loud. Copy the speaker, match their tone and speed. I want to improve my English. This means you want your English to get better. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. Now you repeat. I don't know everything, but I try. This means you keep practicing even when it's hard. I don't know everything, but I try. I don't know everything, but I try. Now you repeat. I'm learning step by step. This means you're improving slowly and steadily. I'm learning step by step. I'm learning step by step. Now you repeat. Do this daily. Repeat the same sentences multiple times. You'll say that your speaking becomes smoother. Your words flow better. You feel more comfortable. And remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be practiced. Tip number 3, switch your brain to English. This is a big one. Start thinking in English. In the beginning, it's hard. You want to translate from your first language, but translation is slow. It creates a delay. So how do we start? Use short, easy thoughts. Say them in your head. When you get up, it's morning, I'm sleepy, I want breakfast. When you go outside, the weather is nice. I see people. I hear birds. During work or school, I'm busy. I feel tired. I need a break. These are tiny thoughts, but they're powerful. They connect your brain directly to English. No translation needed. Later, try saying them quietly out loud. It's like having a little conversation with yourself in English. Tip number 4, speak out loud. Read like an actor. Reading silently helps, but reading aloud is much better. It trains your mouth, your tongue, and your brain at the same time. Choose something simple. A children's story, a beginner's dialogue, a short article or Instagram caption. Read it slowly and clearly, then read it again a bit faster, then read it with emotion, like you're performing on stage. This strengthens your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence. Think of it like exercise, but for your speaking muscles. Tip number 5, make English part of your real life. Here's the truth. If you want to speak English well, you can't just study it. You have to live it. English shouldn't be something you do for 20 minutes on Tuesday evening. It shouldn't only exist in your notebook. It should be part of your everyday world, like your morning tea or your favorite song. The more you see, hear, and use English in real life, the more natural it becomes. Here are some easy ways to do it. A. Change your phone to English. You check your phone dozens of times a day, maybe even 100 times. So use that time to learn. When you switch your phone language to English, you'll see words like notifications, battery, settings, camera, messages, storage. You won't need to memorize them. You'll just see them so often that your brain remembers naturally. This is called passive learning, and it's super effective. B. Keep a simple English journal. You don't need to write essays. Just write 3 sentences about your day. Examples. Today, I worked hard. I felt happy. I made spaghetti for dinner. It was sunny this afternoon. I went for a walk. I listened to English music. This helps you practice sentence structure and use real words from your daily life. If you do this for just 5 minutes every night, you'll improve faster than you expect. You can write in a notebook or on your phone. You can even share it with another English learner and write back to each other. See, record yourself speaking for 1 minute. This is one of my favorite activities. At the end of the day, open your phone's voice recorder and talk for 60 seconds. Talk about anything, your day, your plans, your thoughts, or something interesting you learned. Example: today was good. I helped my brother with homework. I ate pizza for lunch. Tomorrow I want to wake up early and study English. It's okay if you make mistakes. No one else has to hear it. This is just for you. When you listen back, you'll notice your pronunciation, your grammar, and your common errors. You can improve them next time. This builds confidence, fluency, and self-awareness. D. Find English friends online. You don't need to wait for a classroom. You can meet English learners online right now. Join a Discord server, a WhatsApp group, or a Telegram chat. Use apps like Hello Talk or Reddit communities for English learners. You can type short messages, send voice notes, ask questions, or answer others. Even just reading what other learners write will help you. It makes English feel alive and social, not just a school subject. E. Watch short videos and copy what you hear. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are full of quick, simple English videos. Pick videos about cooking, travel, animals, comedy, anything you enjoy. Watch the same video 2 or 3 times, then pause and repeat the sentences you hear. Try to copy the speaker's voice, their energy, their rhythm. Even if the video is only 15 seconds long, it's perfect. It's a fun, easy way to hear how English is really spoken. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to create extra study time. Just turn your daily actions into English moments. Instead of saying good night in your language, say good night in English. Instead of writing your shopping list in your mother tongue, write it in English. Instead of watching a 10-minute video in your language, watch it in English. These small actions create strong habits, and strong habits create confident speakers. So remember, make English part of your life. Let it be in your phone, your journal, your thoughts, and your voice. Let it be part of who you are, not just something you study. When you do this, English won't feel like homework. It will feel like something you live with. And that's when real fluency begins. Okay, now it's time for action. I have a mini challenge for you. For the next 7 days, I want you to do these 3 things every day. Listen to English for 10 minutes, podcast, song, or video. Use the echo method for 5 minutes. Repeat what you hear. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute about your day. That's only 16 minutes a day. You can do this. After 7 days, listen to your first recording and your last recording. You'll be amazed at how much you've improved. Let's finish with one more echo practice. I can learn English every day. This means you have the ability to practice daily. I can learn English every day. I can learn English every day. Now you repeat. Small steps lead to big changes. This means tiny actions create big results over time. Small steps lead to big changes. Small steps lead to big changes. Now you repeat. I believe in myself. This means you trust that you can succeed. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Now you repeat. Perfect. You did it. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Remember, English is not just something you study, it's something you live. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep speaking. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and good luck.